This is Module 3, Lesson 20 on the back. Number 2, solve. Place parentheses in C and D as needed to find the related fact. Letter A. I see they have 3 times 20 equals 3 times 2 times 10. That tells me that they broke the 20 apart into 2 times 10. Then they move the parentheses to solve 3 times 2 first, which is 6, giving me 6 times 10. 6 times 10 is 60. Letter B. I have 3 times 30 equals 3 times 3 times 10. Again, 30 was broken apart into 3 times 10. Then they have grouped together 3 times 3, and then we'll multiply that first before we multiply times 10. 3 times 3 is 9, giving me an easier problem to solve. 9 times 10 is 90. Letter C. I have 3 times 40 equals 3 times 4 times 10. They broke 40 apart into 4 times 10. The easiest problem when I look at 3 times 4 times 10 to solve is 3 times 4. So I'm going to put parentheses around those two numbers, telling me I have to multiply those first. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 10, 12 tens, is 120. Letter D, we have 3 times 50 equals 3 times 5 times 10. Can you tell which number they broke apart? They broke apart that 50 into 5 and 10. When you go to the second part, you need to group what is the easier problem to solve. 3 times 5 or 5 times 10. Once you find that problem, then you can multiply the answer by 10 and get your final answer. Number 3, Danny solves 5 times 20 by thinking about 10 times 10. Explain his strategy. Danny is trying to solve 5 times 20, but similarly to number 2, he's breaking numbers apart. So he has 5 times, and then he broke that 20 apart, just like they did up in letter A. So they broke that 20 apart into 5 times 2 times 10. Danny found the easier problem by multiplying 5 times 2 first, which gives him 10 times 10. Use your own words to explain the steps Danny took in solving that problem, starting with how he broke apart the 20.